So I bought my Walther PPK brand new just about a year ago. This is the Fort Smith, Arkansas version, and I know Smith and Wesson makes like a copy of one, but this is the Walther one. I've had quite a bit of jamming issues with it. I think literally on average, for one magazine, I get about two rounds that jam on me. So about every 3-4 rounds, it seems to jam up, and I gotta clear it and stuff like that. And looking online or on YouTube or forums and stuff like that, I just could never find a solution that ever worked for me. I was actually kind of shocked at how Walther could release this sort of thing and have it jam up for so many people. All you see is comments on how it's always jamming up and whatnot. But I don't think I've ever really noticed anybody online talk about replacing your recoil springs. So the factory Walther PPK comes with a 20-pound recoil spring. And what I did was I ordered some replacement recoil springs. So you have this package from Wolf gun spring makers. They have a 14-pound, 15-pound, 16-pound, and lastly a 17-pound recoil spring. So what I did was I swapped out the 17-pound recoil spring with that factory 20-pound recoil spring, and I haven't had a single jam. I've probably shot 5-6 magazines through this already, and not a single jam. So if you're having jamming issues, this might be your fix.